I'm Bhaskar Jogi. I'm having 24 years of IT industry experience. I worked for many MNCs, including Microsoft, Accenture, Patni Computers, TVS Motors, Unilever. I worked for first 10 years in Bangalore. After that, I moved to Hyderabad. But I worked for many other cities like Pune, Delhi, and Chennai, uh, and TCS, Kolkata. So many cities where I worked, and I trained more than 120,000 people all over the world. Right. So I used to be a faculty in Infosys Mysuru campus in 2005 and 2006, and we trained thousands of people in Infosys. There's a big school in Infosys Mysuru. So whenever they recruit freshers, so we used to give a lot of training during 2005 and 6. And after that, I gave lot of training programs for CGI and Bangalore. Lot of IIT people, Bitspilani people are recruited there, and we are going to train them in the company itself. It was a completely corporate training I was talking about. So I'm into training because I'm passionate about training. So after that, I worked for many companies. Again, I stopped working for the companies. Last 10 years, I'm completely working for, I'm sharing my knowledge. I'm passionate about teaching, right? If you don't have good gurus in the society, it will be difficult for you to grow, right? మీ దగ్గర మంచి గురువు లేదనుకోండి you will not be able to grow further. So society needs good gurus. So that is the reason I'm here today. I'm sharing my knowledge, guys. Clear? So if you have any kind of a question, you can call me, you can ask me. So this is my direct number. So you can also write a mail to me, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. This is my direct number. You can call me for one-to-one career guidance anytime. Sir, this is what is my current situation. Can I get into, IT side? My age is 40. I am 20, 2010 passed out. I'm BCom MBA passed out. I am having a lot of backlogs, and I have completed the backlogs recently. I have educational gap. I don't have, a regular degree. I have done my, BA, BCom, BSc through BR Ambedkar Open University. Can I get into, IT industry? Many people will be asking this kind of a question. The answer is yes. Anybody can get into IT industry, even though you're coming from BA, BCom, botany, zoology, or MTech, BTech, civil engineering, mechanical background. You have a 10 years of a gap. You're a housewife. You never worked for the company, or you worked for a lot of non-IT companies, or you're a banker, you're an insurance guy. You don't have the proper income. So definitely, you can get into data analytics, or you can get into IT industry today. But only thing is that you need to have proper guru, proper mentor. Clear? So IT industry has a lot of courses today. So all these courses are completely no coding and no programming. Clear? Any lot of courses are available in the IT industry. Not only data analytics, we have a lot of other courses like DevOps. We have data engineering is there. We have cloud computing is there, right? We have Python. So lot of technologies are available today. So those are no coding, no programming. Python is the language where you have simple coding and everything. But you think about data analytics, anybody can get into this. Many people will ask me, sir, what is the prerequisite for data analytics? అంటే డేటా అనలిటిక్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? So what is the prerequisite for the data analytics means? I'll tell them, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can understand or you can enroll for data analytics. మీకు 2 plus 2 equals to 4 అని తెలిసిందనుకోండి, you will be able to easily get into IT, or you can easily learn data analytics. So nothing is needed to understand data analytics. I'll make it very, very simple. And this data analytics course will be for 3 months. Clear? So it will be for 3 months, guys. So I'm going to be taking a lot of tools in this. So what are the tools I'm going to be taking as part of data analytics? I'll be telling you. So you need not know anything. So everything from scratch I'm going to be discussing. I'm assuming that you're a non-IT guy. You don't know anything about computers. You don't know anything about IT industry. You don't know anything about data analytics, nothing. So I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. So call center people, bankers, so or insurance agents, or people who are, working for a Zomato, Swiggy boys, those kind of a B.Tech, BCom, BSc guys, MBA guys are able to crack the interviews. Not one offer letter, they're able to crack multiple offer letters. Last 1 month, there is a girl from Chandigarh. Her name is Simran Kaur. She was working for a call center. 2015 passed out. In almost 8, 9 years, she was in call center, earning almost 20, 30,000 rupees per month. She joined the course 6 months back. Now, last month, just 1 week back, she told me, sir, I got 4 offer letters. Many people are telling recession is going on, but she tells me, sir, I got four offer letters. Last company is Air India. The third offer letter I got with the 12 lakhs of salary package. Now I don't know how much Air India is going to be giving me. This week I'm going to be going for the HR negotiation with Air India company Gurgaon. So now tell me that girl does not have a proper income for 8 years, and she completed data analytics course, a B.Tech, I think, a mechanical background girl. Now she's able to get 4 offer letters, right? Like that, we have many guys. One guy, his name is Manohar. He paid 4 lakhs rupees or 2 to 4 lakhs for the proxies, and he lost all the money because he got the job. He went to the company. Now the management, caught him saying that this guy does not have any knowledge. Now again came back and joined my institution. Now is able to crack on his own 3 offer letters. In the month of November, he cracked 3 of us. Now is working for one of the Bangalore company. Even though recession is there, recession is temporary, skills are permanent. Clear? You need to have the proper guru so that you will be able to easily get into any company, or you can get into any path when you have a proper mentor. So don't go into, short term, approach. Don't go for the short term practice. Nothing is going to work. So minimum 3 months of time we need to have to conquer or to learn data analytics using Power BI. So let us understand what to learn, how to learn, complete roadmap I'm going to be giving you. The demos today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 classes you must attend. So daily same meeting ID will be there. You will be able to follow all the demos. You will be able to understand. So daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded. Even though you miss one class, you should not be worried at all. And if you're working for the night shifts, or if you don't have a time to attend morning classes, don't worry. You will be able to take the videos and watch them in the evening. In the evening, you can just meet me one to one. So this is my direct number. You can call me anytime. Sir, this is what is the doubt I have it. So can I connect with you one to one in the evening? I am working in the night shifts or morning. I am not able to connect, sir. I'm a housewife. I'm completely busy. Can we connect? I'm able to watch your video, today's class. I'm able to watch it, but this is where I have a problem. So yes, I will be able to connect in the evening. You can just ping me in my WhatsApp number. You can ping me in my, you can call me in this anytime. You can just connect one to one and get the proper lab support and all the career guidance support or any other support if you need. So don't worry about it. If you don't have a time in the morning, not a problem at all. But we don't have any weekend batches. We don't have any other batches. Clear? Only we have this time. We don't have any other time. Every month we're going to be starting only one batch. If you miss this batch, next batch will be from May 1st. If you miss May batch, and June 1st will be the next batch. Clear, guys? So learn data analytics using Power BI demo number 1 today, and 2 more demos tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we'll be having 2 more demos. All of them are free. Demos are free, guys. Can get into data analytics within 3 months, and any graduate can come any age, 40, 45 years also people are able to crack the interview. One guy, Akshay from Pune, got the job at the age of 36. He was earning only 20,000 rupees per month. He was working for a bakery. His own bakery is working, but earning only 20,000 rupees. You know what is the salary package he got it? 21 lakhs salary package he got it. He applied only 3.5 years of experience as a data analytics. And he called me yesterday, sir. Now I'm working for a company with a 21 lakhs salary package. I have recorded his success story, uploaded in my YouTube channel named Bhaskar Jogi. Clear? So easy to learn, no coding is required, no programming is required. Any non-IT people can get into IT very, very easily, which is a hot skill. Placement assistance we're going to be giving. So everything I'm going to be providing, complete roadmap I'm going to be giving for the data analytics program. Will understand what is a data analytics, what is a data science, what is AI and ML, what is a data engineering. I'll be able to tell you clearly for the non-IT people to understand. Clear? So remember, you need to have proper gurus. It is not that if you learn some course, you cannot get a job. Clear? So I'm going to be giving you this form. Uh, can you just, go take the form and fill the details? I will just wait for 2 minutes. In the form, you need to mention uh, your email address, full name with your surname, as per your passport or Aadhaar card. Location means the city or the country, mobile number, click on subscribe. This form I'm going to give you in the chat window. ఈ చార్ట్ విండోలో ఇస్తాను. Guys, everybody has to fill the form. I'll just wait. So once you fill the form, you say done. You say in the chat window saying that done. So I have given the form. So write this and click on subscribe, guys. Whatever be the reason, if you're not able to fill the form, you can also send me your details to me, right? So bhaskarjogi@gmail.com, or you can also call this number and send your details to these guys. Okay. Any WhatsApp number, you can take it, write your name, write your phone number, write your email ID, and send it across. Clear? So I've given the form. Guys, please, can you complete it? I'll just stop the recording for a minute. Guys, hope you're able to, fill the form. And so what are the hot skills in 2024? If you wanted to get into IT industry, you're a non-IT guy, past 10 years of working for a company, you don't have the proper income, earning only 20, 30, 40,000 rupees per month. But another side, you have IT people who are earning, even the recession is going on. But if you're a right candidate, people can give you very, very good salary packages. Even today, recession is going on. Our students from the non-IT background, they took this course, they're able to crack a minimum to 10 lakhs to 21 lakh salary packages for 3 to 4 years of experience they applied for. Clear? What are the things that you can learn? You can learn this kind of a courses: data analytics, AI or ML or data science, data engineering, cloud computing, cyber security. These courses are booming technologies nowadays. Clear? All of them are called completely no coding and no programming courses. This is one of the article from Telugu, daily newspaper. You can just read. Data విశ్లేషణ, కృత్రిమ మేధ, cyber security, cloud computing లాంటి demand పెరుగుతోంది. So this is article from January 1st from one of the Telugu newspaper, right? So all these are completely booming courses, and only thing is that you need to learn from very, very basic level to advanced level. That is very, very important. Clear? So I have spoken about my profile. So I think you could be from IT or non-IT. Any qualification is fine. Even BA, BCom, botany, zoology, even BTech civil background. Anything is fine. Any age gap. 44 people, 45. At the age of 45, people are learning. In from US means people are joining the course at at the age of 58. At the age of 60 also, from US people are joining and getting the lot of job opportunities. So what are the expectations that you can get it in India and abroad? Duration of the course, as I told you, 3 months it is. Free project and materials for the training is included for free. Methodology of the training is completely online training. So same timing will be there. CV preparation and interview preparation is included at no extra cost. Job placement assistance also we're going to be providing. So you ask something that will be included in the training. Only thing is that you have to daily practice minimum 2 to 3 hours. You need to have the laptop, and you need to arrange the laptop within 10 days of time, because we need to install Power BI and SQL so that you will be able to practice Lot of assignments I'm going to be giving you regularly. Lot of demos I'm going to be giving you regularly. You need to practice them without fail. It is a completely practical, and a completely basic to advanced technology it is. Clear, guys? So now, if you wanted to become a data analyst, so 3 months I told you, right? What are the courses that you're going to be learning? So all these courses that you're going to be learning next 3 months, not only Power BI, because many people think that if I learn Power BI, can I get a job? Answer is no. You need to learn not only Power BI, but also SQL or SQL you need to know. So if you learn SQL, is that sufficient? Answer is no. You have to know one ETL tool also, either SSIS or ADF you need to learn, and data warehousing you need to learn, SSAS cube you need to learn, free project, CV preparation, interview questions, everything will be included. So this is the complete roadmap for you to learn as part of data analytics. Clear? Let me tell you how to learn and what are the things we're going to be providing. So before starting data analytics, I wanted to tell you what is IT industry, right? What is IT industry? According to you, IT industry means information technology, right? Do you know what IT industry is doing? If you go to automobile industry, it will manufacture a lot of cars. If you go to food industry, it will manufacture a lot of food, or it will produce a lot of food. Clear? But when you go to IT industry, do you know what IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is for information technology. It is going to be information it can derive. So if you wanted to get the information, information can be derived with the data. Clear? So IT industry is going to be working for the data or working with the data. Without data, IT industry is not going to work. If somebody asks you, what is the functionality of IT industry? Means, do you know what is the functionality? What IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. One is called, it is going to store with your data. That is step number one. It is going to be storing the data of the company. For example, you go to ICICI Bank or you go to State Bank of India, you open an account, right? It is going to be storing the data, and it is going to be processing your data. That is what IT industry is going to be doing. Whether it is a Microsoft, Google, or whether it is Infosys, IBM, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, any IT company you take, IT company is going to be doing only two things. One is called, it is going to be storing your data, it is going to be processing your data. So IT industry, if it wanted to store your data, what is the software it is going to be using? It is going to be using a software called SQL software. Clear? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is also called as a database software. Clear? IT industry wanted to store your data means it is going to be storing the software, it is going to be storing the company's data in a software called SQL software, or it is also called as a database software, or it is also called as a RDBMS software. Clear? So relational database management system. So, and how a software, how IT industry is going to be processing your data, it is going to be using a language. What are the languages we have? You may use C, C++, or you may use Java, or you may use Android, or Python, or you may use in any language that you're going to be using today, which is going to be processing the data. Processing means what? Processing means I wanted to sort the data. Sorting is a processing. I wanted to perform some operation. So I have data. I have data 10 comma 20. This is the data. So where normally we are going to be storing the data, we are going to be storing the large amount of data in IT industry in a SQL. Remember, small amount of data means you can store in Notepad, you can store in Excel sheets, but I'm talking about large amount of data. So IT industry is going to be storing large amount of data in a software called SQL software, database software, RDBMS software. I have, let us say, some data I have stored, but I wanted to know what is the total. So total can be done. That is what is called a processing. So C or C++, Java, .NET, Android can go to SQL, get the data, read the data, process the data. It can tell you, hey, Bhaskar, total is 30. And it can tell you what is the average, what is the minimum, what is the maximum. Any kind of a finding it out, what is the minimum, what is the maximum, what is the, sorting the data, how to sort the data. All of them are called processing. Clear? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. Either it is going to be storing the data or it is going to be processing the data for the storing purpose. I'm not talking about small amount of data. I'm talking about large amount of data. Clear? If you wanted to store large amount of data, you cannot store them in Excel, you cannot store them in your notepad, or you cannot store them in the simple softwares. You need to go in for a bigger software or a sophisticated software called SQL software or database management software or relational database management software. So IT industry is going to be storing the data, processing the data. For the processing purpose, we are going to be using a language. Language means you need to know coding and programming, guys. Clear? So we are not going to be working with the languages. We are going to be working with the data side. Clear? So I wanted to store the data. I wanted to process the data. So if you wanted to get into IT industry, compulsorily you need to know how to store data. Compulsorily you have to know, SQL. Clear? SQL means a structured query language. It is called as a database management system, relational database management system you have. Clear? So this is a software in IT industry to store your data. Clear? So I'll give you a simple example. I have a lot of blood. How do you store the blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of data. How do you store the data? I have a lot of data. I need to store data in the data bank. Data bank is called database. Clear? I need to store a lot of, blood. Blood bank is there. I have a lot of gold. Gold banks are there. I have a lot of data. Where do you store the data? Database. Database means a data bank. అర్థమవుతుందా? So if you wanted to store large amount of data, we are going to be going for the SQL or database management system or called as a RDBMS systems or softwares. Clear? So what are the SQL softwares are available? So we have Apollo blood bank. We have Chiranjeevi blood bank. We have Kim's blood bank. A lot of blood banks are available in Hyderabad. Like that, we have a lot of SQL softwares are available. SQL softwares or database softwares are available. So, so the popular software is Oracle. Oracle company is giving you a SQL software. Microsoft is going to be giving you SQL server. IBM is going to giving you IBM software, IBM SQL software or database management software is called a DB2. What is a DB2? DB2 is a database management system or it is a data bank. Large amount of data you can store. You can go to Amazon.com. You can go to State Bank of India. You can go to any company. All the company data will be stored in either in Oracle or in a SQL server or in a DB2. It is from Microsoft. అర్థమవుతుందా? You have lot of RDBMS softwares are available today. So we have Netezza. This is also one more software from IBM company. Right? We have PostgreSQL. This is also one more SQL software. You have MySQL. We have Teradata. Clear? All of them are called what is called data banks or databases. You can go to Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, Kim's Hospital Blood Bank, or you can go to Apollo Hospital Blood Bank. You can store the blood or you can get the blood. Like that, you can go to Oracle is a SQL software or database management software. are a relational database management software. SQL Server is from Microsoft. It is also SQL software. SQL means you can store large amount of data. You can retrieve large amount of data. You can assume Oracle is a go down. You can assume SQL Server is a go down. మనం ఇంట్లో గోడౌన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా గోడౌన్స్ స్టోర్ రూమ్స్ సో ఎస్క్యూఎల్ వేర్ యూ కెన్ స్టోర్ ద డేటా యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద డేటా ఆరకిల్ you can store the data, get the data. All of them are called tanks or godowns. This is one more company's godown. This is one more company's godown. You need to think like that. Clear? So RDBMS అంటే మీకు ఏం గుర్తు రావాలంటే గోడౌన్స్, స్టోర్ రూమ్స్, ట్యాంక్స్. In the tank, normally what you do? You put the water, you get the water. SQL Server, what you do? You put the data, you get the data. In Oracle, what you do? You put the data, you get the data. In DB2, what you do? You put the data, you get the data. So all these are nothing but your storerooms or godowns or tanks, whatever you think of. Clear? So IT industry is going to be storing large amount of data. If you wanted to get into IT industry, compulsorily you need to have SQL software. Either you need to know Oracle, or you need to know SQL Server, or you need to know DB2, or you need to know Netezza. So tomorrow you are learning .NET or Java or Python. Anything you can learn, compulsorily you need to know SQL also. Remember that point. Because without data, Python is not going to work. Without data, Java is not going to work. Without data, Android is not going to work. Without data, SAP is not going to work. Without data, nothing is going to work. C, C++, Java, .NET, Android, SAP, no software is going to be working because IT industry is going to be storing the data, processing the data. If you wanted to get into IT, compulsorily you have to know SQL. SQL means structured query language, Oracle, SQL Server, something you need to know clearly. So Power BI is a Microsoft software. So that is the reason we are also learning SQL Server, SQL Server or SQL Server. So this will be 45 days classes will be having. Clear? We are going to be learning this. How many days? SQL Server, 45 days we are going to be learning. So data storing is one thing. Then the next one I told you, when you store the data, you are going to be processing the data. How do you process the data? We are going to be using a language. Okay? So language, like this is also software. What are the languages we have? We have lot of language like C or C++ or Python, right? Like Java. So a lot of programs are available, lot of languages are available where we are going to be processing the data. Processing means I told you, I wanted to find out the minimum. I need to find out the maximum. I wanted to find out what is the total sales. I wanted to know what is the average sales. On the data, the companies who wanted to process lot of data, this is completely programming. So even though we have SQL, we have very less programming in this, not complicated programming, very less programming. We are going to be learning SQL Server. How many days? Minimum 45 classes we are going to be learning. Daily one class you need to compulsorily learn. So daily one class you need to attend. But unfortunately, we don't have live classes for the SQL, right? SQL Server, we don't have the live classes. So how do you learn then? No live classes are there. You need to buy or get the recorded videos. Okay, you can get what? Recorded videos from us, and it will be there in English and Telugu language. Anybody can understand. Clear? Any botany, zoology student, BCom, MBA student, mechanical, housewife, girls also can understand. I made it very simple. So total, no live classes are available. SQL Server videos, we are going to be giving it to you after the demos. After the demos, so daily you need to watch. Total 45 days videos recording will be given. So each video will be 1 hour video, 45 hours videos will be given. Daily you need to watch 1 hour video. So you need to watch 15 minutes, give a break. Don't watch continuously. You may get sleep. 15 minutes you watch, you write the notes. If you are getting bored, stop it. You watch 15 minutes in the evening, right? If you don't have the mood, don't watch that day. Next day morning again, you watch 10, 15 minutes like that. You will be able to complete the 1 hour video on daily basis. You need to write compulsorily one notes. Clear? So lot of case studies I'm going to be giving you, lot of explanation I'm going to be giving you. These videos are available in English language and Telugu language also. If you don't know proper English, you can take this Telugu sequel videos, but explanation is there in Telugu, but notes will be there in English. You will be able to write complete notes there in the English. So daily you need to take one video, you need to watch. So unfortunately, we don't have the live classes. You just watch couple of videos and give me the feedback whether you're able to understand or not. Many people told me, sir, initially I was worried about SQL Server. Now, sir, I'm able to understand very easily. I came from BCom background. I never knew that I can learn SQL, very easily. So this kind of a videos I have recorded. It is very simple. Anybody can learn SQL. Software also I will give you. We will be able to do the installation and everything after 3 4 days of time. I'll install SQL Server software. So it is going to be storing your data. Clear? If somebody asks you what is SQL or SQL Server or Oracle means, all these are called data storage, right? If I wanted to store the data, so I need to go to data bank. Data bank is called a database. Blood bank, gold bank, like data bank. Oracle is a data bank. SQL Server is one more company's data bank. It is from the Microsoft company. You can store your data. For example, when you go to Amazon company, Amazon data will be there in the, for example, I would like to go to Amazon. So I would like to buy some Lenovo laptops, right? So we need to have one laptop. So what kind of a laptop you would like to buy? I will give you the configuration. So below 35,000 rupees, this configuration is enough. Lenovo, I'm going to be recommending i3, i4, any generation is fine. And light laptop, 8 GB of RAM, but 4 GB manaku chalu. 4 GB of RAM is enough. 512 GB SSD hard disk, we need 256 GB sufficient. Windows 11 is a must. So the cost is 34,000. You can buy this kind of a laptop. If you wanted to buy a new laptop, I'll be sharing this in the chat window. You will be able to, guys, you can just go and buy this kind of a laptop I have given. So I wanted to buy this laptop. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to click on buy. When I click on buy, this is a Java application or maybe Angular JS, some XYZ application. I will give my mobile number, click on continue, I make the payment. All the payments are going to be stored where? Either in Oracle or in SQL Server or in DB2. So that we do not know. You open a phone pay, you make some payment. You transfer some funds from your account to my account in the phone pay. Phone pay data is going to be stored either maybe in Postgre, maybe in MySQL, maybe in Oracle. Anywhere, whenever you're doing any transactions, the data is going to be stored in the SQL softwares only. Remember that point. You go to the bank, pay loan amount, or you go to the bank, open an account, or you apply for a Aadhaar card, you apply for a passport, or you go to movie and you buy a ticket in bookmyshow.com, you buy a train ticket, flight ticket, any data you supply, all the data is going to be stored in the IT industry, and one of these softwares are going to be storing your data. Clear? So that is what you need to understand. All the servers are available where the computers are available, bigger computers are available. The computers are available in the data centers. అర్థమవుతుందా? So IT industry is going to be storing the data in the data centers. Let me show you bigger centers. Now this is what is called a bigger data center. Have you seen it? So this is a bigger data center. So see the data center. So this is the data center. All of them are the computers where you will be able to understand this is a bigger machine where Oracle is installed or SQL Server is installed or it may be another software is installed, your data is going to be stored in the bigger data centers. These data centers are maintained by the Google, Microsoft, bigger companies, Accenture, IBM. So like that, we have a lot of data centers where all the data is going to be stored. Clear? So data centers where bigger computers are going to be, people will be buying it and installing either this software or this software or this software, depends upon the choice, and your company's data will be stored in that. So all the data is available in the SQL or in the relational database management, and all these are available in where? Data centers. Clear? So that is what you need to understand. If you wanted to get into data analytics, compulsorily you need to learn SQL Server or Oracle. Why are we learning SQL Server? Because Power BI is from the Microsoft company. So one, you need to learn that. Step number one. So along with that, so what are we going to be learning? So daily you need to attend Power BI live classes. So daily it will be there. Next 45 days it will be there. Daily 1 hour class will be there that you need to attend regularly. Clear? So parallelly, morning you need to attend Power BI class. Evening you need to watch one SQL Server video. So these two courses should go parallelly. Remember this point. Okay. So April month and May month, we are going to be completely practicing SQL Server daily 1 hour video, and in the evening we'll be practicing Power BI. We'll be able to attend live classes from uh, today. Clear? So like that you can complete April and May month. We will be able to complete 45 days. Up means approximately 2 months. You will be able to complete these two courses. Clear? So that is what you got to understand, guys. Okay. Now, if I learn only these two courses, yeah, can I get a job? Answer is no. You will not be able to get the job when you learn only these two courses. Now, compulsorily, you have to learn one more course that will be there in the June. So that course will be for called as ETL. Clear? We have two tools here. One is called SSIS and ADF. This will be for 25 days. That means within a month you can complete. Now, once it is over, I will be able to prepare a CV for you. Clear? One project will be given free for you. So all the interview questions are going to be discussed and given. All the mock interviews and everything will be planned, so that completely job assistance is going to be given. So what I do, I'll be doing everything. Sir, I need a project explanation, or sir, I need this explanation, I need this interview question, I need CV preparation. Sir, I have 10 years of gap. How to tell the 10 years of gap? Should I show all the 10 years? No. We need to show minimum 2 to 3 years of experience, even though you have a 10 years of gap. Even though you have a 15 years of gap, you are working for ICICI Bank for last 10 years, or you are not working anywhere, you are a housewife, you are passed out, a year will be, let us say, 2012, you have, in year 2012, you have done your BCom. After that, you never worked for any company. Today is 2024. Now, what is the total number of years I need to show? I need to say only 3 years of experience we are going to be telling. You can tell them that, sir, last 3 years I started working, and before that I was a housewife, or I was working for a government company, or I can tell them that 2012 I have joined with my BCom, I have joined a call center, right? I was working for the call center till 2024. In last 3 years in my call center, so they have given me a responsibility, and they're asking me to create a reports. Now I know what is a SQL, what is a Power BI, what is a ETL in my call center. Now I'm become a lead. I'm able to create a lot of reports for the call center. Now I know SQL and everything. Last 3 years only I am working with the reporting, and before that I have call center experience only. Or I am working for a State Bank of India in the mutual. I was a sales manager for last 10-15 years. I have 10 years of sales background knowledge. But out of these 3 years, I'm going to be working with the SQL. Remaining 7 years, I was completely sales. I used to work with the Excel sheet. Last 3 years, I'm able to create a lot of reports in State Bank of India using SQL, Power BI, ETL. So if you're a housewife, you can tell them that last 7 years, I never worked anywhere. My brother taught me SQL and my brother taught me Power BI. Now, after that, I got a job. Last 3 years, I have started working with this. Like that, we will be able to discuss all of them later. Now, these are the tools that you're going to be learning. Clear SQL Server, Power BI, and a few more things I'm going to be giving for free along with this course. One is called a data warehouse. So what is a data warehouse? What is the ETL? So this will be some 10 days syllabus that you need to know. Clear? And SSAS cube, you need to know this will be 5 days. This will be included for free. But basic content is this content you need to know. If you have any questions on the SQL Server, you can call me anytime, or you can also call me after the Power BI class or before the Power BI class. Daily, you will be meeting in the Power BI, right? You can ask me, sir, I have a SQL Server doubt. Can I ask? Yes, you will be able to ask me, or anytime you will be able to call me on this number, right? I have given you my number, right? So you can call me anytime in this number. You will be able to ask me for the career guidance, or if you have any questions, you will be able to connect me in the evening. Sir, this is the SQL video I'm learning, and this is where I'm stuck. My lab is not working. Sir, can I connect with you? Yes, you just call me. If I'm free, I can tell you, hey, I am free. We will be able to connect. And if I'm not free, I'll tell you after 1 hour I will connect. If you are not free, we'll get one more timing. We will be able to connect one to one. We will be able to continue the learning. So from my side, you don't have any kind of an issues. So compulsorily, if you learn only one tool, that is not sufficient. Clear? Many people will tell me, sir, one of the faculty told me to learn only Power BI, but after learning Power BI, I'm not able to get a job. Now he's asking me 2 lakhs rupees for the proxy. Now, if you pay the 2 lakhs, you will be the loser. Clear? Because he's teaching you only Power BI, he did not teach SQL Server. He taught you only for 5 days. With the 5 days SQL knowledge, you will not be able to understand anything. When you go to the interview, remember, believe me, you will get 60% of the interview questions from the SQL. Remaining Power BI, this one, everything. These topics are only 40%. Clear? So all these things are part of your data analytics. But unfortunately, many YouTubers are telling you have to know Power BI, you have to know Excel. Many people are misguiding. So you need to learn Excel, you need to learn Python. Python is not needed. Excel is not needed to get into this. So don't worry about this. So you need to know SQL Server or SQL very well. 60% of the interview questions are going to come Power BI, SSIS, data warehousing, cube. From the remaining topics, you will be able to get 40%. If somebody tells you that you need to learn only Power BI, means they are simply lying. Clear? That is what is the point. Clear, guys? So this is what we're going to be learning. So April and May, we are going to be learning SQL Server, and June, we are going to be learning all of them. You will be get ready by the June. So if you don't have the time, nobody can help you. So many people will come to me, sir, my brother told me, he will give me a job within 1 month. I need to complete everything within a 1 month. Can you complete everything within 1 month? You have done your graduation. You took 15 years to complete the graduation, right? With the graduation, what is the salary you're drawing now? 20,000, 30,000 rupees. But with the Power BI and data analytics course, you will be able to get per month minimum 1 lakh. So minimum package that you can expect for 3 years in India, 10 to 15 lakh salary package you can expect. Do you think that within a 1 month you can learn like that? Can you get into IT company? So You have invested 15 years of the time to complete your MBA, your BTech. You will not be able to get the proper job with that knowledge. But do you think that within 1 month of your course, you need to get 1 lakh of job per month? Can you get it? If somebody is telling you, you don't have time, learn everything in 1 month, everything, I will give you job support and everything. All these are bullshits. Nothing is going to happen practically. You will be the loser. So you have invested 15 years to complete your graduation. Can't you wait 3 to 6 months of time to get into the IT industry and get the proper job? If you don't have the good foundation, you cannot get it. You will choose the proper. If you don't choose the proper gurus, you will be the loser. Many people will tell me, sir, my son is intelligent, my daughter is intelligent, but they did not settle properly. What is the problem? The problem is they did not have the proper mentors. Mentor is very, very important. Proper guru is important. If you're intelligent, you will not be able to get the proper jobs and everything. So tomorrow I'll be able to talk about what is data warehousing, what is SSIS, what is SQL Server, what is Power BI, everything I'll be able to talk about. Technical things also you need to understand. Now, before closing the demo, few things I'll be able to tell you now. What is a data analytics? If somebody asks you, what do you mean by data analytics? It is also called as a business intelligence BI, right? Data analytics means understanding the past. Understanding the past. The simple example is, what was my sales in India last year? So that is the question asked by Amazon.com. Amazon people wanted to know what was my sales in India last 1 year or last 5 years or last 10 years. They wanted to know. Understanding the past is called data analytics. Clear? Nowadays, we have one more thing is called data science. It is also called as AI or ML, machine learning. So what is the meaning of data science or artificial intelligence or machine learning? Means predict the future. Remember that both of them are not same. Clear? So if you wanted to understand the past or you would like to predict something, what is that you need to have? You need to have the data. Without data, your data analytics or BI or AI or ML, nothing is going to work. Clear? So all our data analytics or the data science means you're going to be studying the data. What is the data science? What is the AI? What is ML? What is the data analytics means? It is a study of the data. Without data, nothing is going to work. So I have a large amount of data. So data company will have. So using the company's data, we have to find out lot of insights. What is that you need to find out? Lot of insights. To find out lot of insights, there are two ways in which you will be able to find out the insights. One phase is called data analytics. It is also called as a business intelligence. You need to understand the past. Clear? So one more way you will be able to use AI and ML. In this, you understand the past. Here you're planning to predict the future. So both of them are not same. Clear? AI and ML is going to be used to understand or to predict the future, and the data analytics and business intelligence will be understanding the past. Clear, guys? All these things you need to know clearly. So here, the same company will ask you different question. What is the question? They will ask you, what will be my sales in India next 5 years? So that is what the company wanted to predict. Clear? So don't think AI and ML and data science and data analytics, everything is not the same, but everything else needs a data. Without data, your data analytics is not going to work. Your AI and ML is not going to work. Your chart GPT is not going to work. Clear? So data analytics means understanding the past. AI means predictions, or you're going to be doing a lot of pattern matching and everything that I'll be talking about later. Data analytics you can complete within 3 months. Clear? So what you need to know? SQL you need to know, ETL you need to know, one reporting Power BI you need to know, you need to know some data warehousing. That's it. You will be able to complete this. But if you wanted to understand data science, all of them you need to know. All of them you need to know. Clear? Plus, you have to learn extra Python. This is a Python only 1 month course. It is only 1 month course. It is not very complicated. Plus, you need to learn machine learning. This is a 18 months course. It is 18 months course. It is clear. So, data science, data analytics will take a completely 18 months to 2 years course, and the data analytics will be just a 3 months course. It is very, very easy. So don't jump into this. Many people will be telling me, sir, if I learn data science, can I get a proper job? Because everybody is telling me data science, data science, data science, AI and ML today. Many people are telling me all of them are getting automated. So for doing automation also, we need a lot of human efforts, right? If you wanted to automate something, some human efforts has to be there. But don't jump into data science, AI and ML if you don't know anything about IT industry, because it is very, very complicated. You should know mathematics, you should know statistics as well, not only Python language and lot of other things. Here, you need not know anything. Simply learn this within 3 months, get the job, work for 5, 6 years, then slowly you can learn data science and migrate yourself to data science. Don't directly jump into data science. It will be very, very difficult for you to take, because data science you cannot learn in 3 months. If somebody telling you, I will teach you in data science or AI in 3 months, means he is simply lying. And if you're following that guy, you will go mad. Clear? So don't go into that. So I'll be talking about what is AI, what is ML, and what is generative AI, and what is the difference between a data analytics and AI and ML generative AI. I'll be talking about a lot of things in tomorrow's class, and along with that, I will be able to tell you what is a SQL. SQL, I had told you. What is SQL means? SQL. SQL means what? To store the data. It is a data bank or a database. IT industry is going to be working towards only two things. Either it can store the data or it can process the data, whether it is a Microsoft, whether it is IBM, whether it is a Google, whether it is any IT company you take it, only two kind of functionalities that you have it. Guys, are you clear? So data, you need to study the data. In simple and layman's understanding, data analytics or AI and ML means you need to study the data. But how do you study the data? There are two ways in which you will be able to study the data. One is called understanding the past, is called as a data analytics. You analyze the data. The second one is called future predictions. Clear? We create a lot of Power BI and Tableau reports here. We're going to be using a lot of A and ML, different algorithms we're going to be using. We're going to be understanding different hidden patterns and everything. So tomorrow I'll talk about all these things technically. You can easily understand as a layman. Clear? Hope you have enjoyed today's demo, and tomorrow I'll be talking about all of them. So why is that I'm telling you to learn everything? So why is that we cannot learn only Power BI? Why is that we need to learn all of them? Let me show you in Naukri.com. Many people, end of the day, you have to apply for a job. Let me go to Naukri.com. I wanted to look for Power BI jobs. What I have done? Let me go and apply for the Power BI jobs here. Simply put Power BI and go to search, right? So how many jobs are available today? Let me show you the total number of jobs today in India. 24,000 jobs are available for the Power BI. Many people are saying recession, and many people are telling me you cannot get a job. If you cannot get a job if you learn only Power BI, that too not with a proper guru. Now see there, what are they asking? They're asking SSAS, they're asking a DAX, a SQL Server, Power BI, MDX, everything they're asking. Power BI, problem solving, Azure, ADF, team building. So this is 4 days ago. It is 11 days ago. It is 3 to 7 years. So if you learn only Power BI, you cannot get a job. That is for sure. Many people will, when you go, they're asking SQL Server. Have you seen this year? Microsoft Power BI, 2 to 6 years. 1 day ago, the job is there. Okay. Now you come down. So 3 to 7 years, Power BI, Azure, Databricks, lot of things they're going to be asking. Say DAX, BI, lot of things you need to know. ETL, have you seen ETL? They're asking you. So many people will tell you to learn only Power BI, but when you apply for a job, the job will be asking something more. Clear? So that time you cannot say the trainer taught me only Power BI. No, I'm not able to access. I'm not able to attend ETL, SQL. Have you seen data warehousing? Have you seen it here? So lot of things people are asking, not only Power BI. If you learn only Power BI, you cannot get a job forever. And all these are no coding, no programming tools. Clear? So predictions are called as data science or A&ML. So tomorrow I'll talk about what is the classification, clustered predictions, blah, blah, blah. So don't worry about all of them. In simple words, data analytics means understanding the past. Data science means predict the future. But data you have, one guy can do the data analytics, one more guy can do data science on your data. Without data, AI is not there. Without data, data analytics are not there. So we are going to be storing the data in the SQL, that is RDBMS. Clear? So this is the simple demo number one. And tomorrow I'll talk about uh, what is ETL, what is SSIS, what is a data warehousing, one by one. Tomorrow, same meeting ID, same time you can connect. Tomorrow will be the demo part 2, and after that, demo part 3. So once demos are got over, you will be able to get the fee details. And when you fill in the form, you will be able to get the special discounts and everything. If you want to know fee details for all the courses, you can just call these numbers anytime later after 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock today. Otherwise, after 3 demos, you will be able to get the fee details. You should not be worried about it. So it will be very, very cheaper when you compare with any other institutions, and daily recorded videos we're going to be giving. Even though you miss one class, you should not be worried. Today's recorded class also will be coming to your email. So make sure that you have given your proper email ID to us. Clear? People who missed to fill the form. So I have given you this form. So this is the form, you need to fill it. So people who missed to fill the form, so please fill this form without fail. Okay, guys. Form and chart window ఇస్తా ఉన్నాను. Just go there and fill the form. And this form is going to be containing this data and your email address, full name, location, mobile number, and click on subscribe. Any doubts unnaya? If you have some doubts, I'll be able to take it now.